Good afternoon. My name is David Thomas, and I'm your Ashtabula County Auditor. And today we'll take just a few minutes to go over how to see your 2020 tentative revaluation values for Ashtabula County. Now, you may have gotten a postcard in the mail from us, or maybe you saw our website in a paper or online. So we'll walk you through the process and how to actually file an inquiry and how to learn more about your evaluations. So our website for our revaluation, which was in our postcards and we've been advertising, is reval.ashtabulacounty.us. You can put this directly into your search bar, or this is that website here. You can actually get to this by visiting our main auditor website and clicking on the 2020 revaluation page. So you'll go here and you can see a beautiful photo of the Ashtabula lift bridge. And you'll scroll down, and here's the timeline on the right for all the process. Here on the left is how you can see your 2020 value lookup. It's very important to know that we do not know how new valuations will impact property taxes. This has a variety of different backgrounds and reasons for how they come to be, including changes in your district, your valuation overall, and levies. Direct proportional value increases or decreases do not necessarily mean that your taxes will go up or down. We are aware of an issue affecting some properties. It's about 5% or less. If you do have any issues, just email us. And we have some frequently asked questions down below. Now, these are very important. Things like, how will this affect my property taxes? Definitely want you to read that. What is this whole process? What is my reappraisal actually based on? Cost, market, property characteristics, and income. What constitutes an improvement that maybe you've made over the past several years? What is the purpose of submitting a value inquiry? And we'll do that here pretty soon. What's an informal review, and what should I expect? So now that you've read through all of those frequently asked questions, we'll actually see what your property is valued. So I'm going to click here and see my property value lookup. Now this takes me to one of our landing pages. It's very important you do this in Google Chrome if possible. Now you can see Reval Final 2020 is where you'll actually insert your parcel number, and you're also going to see a welcome and how to learn about the different values. Now, how do you get your parcel number? Well, I would not use the current location because depending on your GPS or where your laptop or phone is, it may not work. So what you're going to do is actually here, it says, note, if you don't know your parcel number, please visit our property search. So I'm going to click here, and this takes me to our property search page here on our website. I'm going to type in Thomas, and you can see it's already up there, David. I'll hit enter. And I own 2 parcels, so this is my home parcel. And I'm going to highlight and click. And that's my parcel number. So I'm going to go back here to our reval page, go to the 2020 value lookup, and I'm going to paste this parcel number into our search bar. Hit enter. Here's my information. So my name, here's my address, my parcel number, how many acres I own, and here's the 2019 value. Now this is very important to note. Your current tax value, your current market value for your property, this 2019 value, is actually based on the 2014 revaluation with a small update in 2017. So really this number is actually pretty much 6 years old. It's based on the market back in January 1st of 2014. This new value is our revaluation number, our revaluation value. And this is based on January 1st of 2020. Essentially, the question to ask yourself is, this new value, no matter an increase or a decrease from our previous value, but this new value right here, is that what I believe I can sell my home for, my property for, my business for on January 1st of 2020? And if that's the case, no matter the increase or change, then you're done. That's really our responsibility, is to get as accurate as we can get. Now, let's say that you believe that this number is absolutely not correct. It's completely out of whack. Well, something not right? Click here to file a value inquiry. And we're going to walk you through that process here real quick. It's going to be loading. Here's our Reval Inquiry page. This is how you can actually file an informal appeal to have one of our appraisal team actually look at your property and look at the information you provide. Now you can see what's uploading right here. This is to make sure that we've got the correct parcel, and that's a map of my home right there. You can see different other information too. So we've got the correct one. Now the owner name, address, parcel number, appraisal total 2019, that's the previous one. Now please verify, so that parcel number is the same, of course. Owner name, that's myself, David Thomas. How would you best describe this property? Single family residence. There's multiple different options here for you. Now click the reason. I could either say that I'm upset with the change in my property value, maybe incorrect property characteristic, maybe I had extra bedrooms that was incorrect or something like that. Maybe the home was vacant. Maybe I had a fire, or maybe I tore down a garage or something else. So let's say change in property value. Anything else? Nope. Here's where you can upload pictures, you can upload an appraisal, you can upload any information that you'd like that will help us making a determination. Now for mailing address, this is where, in case we need to send correspondence to you via mail, this is where you would send it. So 7263 Regal Drive. And I live in North Kingsville, but actually my mailing address is in Conneaut, 44030. My email address, I'm going to put as my work email, (576-3785). That's my work phone number. Best form to contact you, I'm going to say email. And when did I submit this? Well, today. And I'm going to confirm, and that actually will send it off. That's saying that everything is correct, and I would hit submit. So that's as easy as it takes to submit your property information and to file an inquiry with our office. Now let's go back here and say what would actually happen. So what should I expect? Well, one of our staff will actually be reviewing these, and we'll be in touch with you soon. The informal process happens from now until the end of the year. Once tax values have been finalized, your tax bills are sent by the county treasurer's office, then you'll have to file a board of revision appeal if you still believe that your value is incorrect. So this is a very informal process to do this. And you can actually learn more, and here's our formal website up here in our office. You can learn more about the board of revision by scrolling over real estate and clicking on board of revision to learn about the process, the procedures, the timelines. And also on our postcards, you also may have seen some tax credit information, homestead and owner occupancy. You can find those by doing real estate, homestead, owner occupancy, and there's applications, there's informative video, qualifications, a whole bunch of information here. And ultimately, if you do have questions, if you have concerns, if you want to learn more about something, well, here's our contact information. Feel free to reach out to contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you.